Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, ako pala si Gracie. And I upload video about my daily life, cooking and baking. In this video, I am baking simple banana bread. Perfect for snacks. Let's preheat the oven. I have here 2 ripe bananas and I am going to mash it. Lagyan ko ng half cup na brown sugar at half cup na white sugar. And then, dalawang itlog. If you like my video, please comment below so that I can greet you back and be my friend. Consider to like and subscribe also. Thank you. Now I add melted butter and vanilla extract. Dagdag natin ang ating mga dry ingredients. 1.5 cups of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and also half teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Not shown in this video, I also added half cup of milk to achieve this consistency. Ilipat ko na to sa baking tray na kanina ko pa piniprepare. Lagay na natin sa preheated oven. (180°) for 20 to 30 minutes hanggang sa maluluto siya. Ayan, luto na ang ating simple banana bread made at home. Kung gagawa ka rin sa bahay mo, comment below para malaman ko ang resulta if you like my simple banana